Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to fix Instagram Reels not uploading. So with no further ado, let's start. So first, try to update your Instagram application. So, let's go to the Play Store and update the Instagram application. So here, my Instagram is updated already, so try to update yours. And if it still doesn't work, then try to uninstall your Instagram application and install again. And if it still won't work, then try to log off on your account, then log in again for a few times. And if it still doesn't work, then just close the app and wait for a few hours, then open the Instagram app again. So it will allow the app to fix the bugs in the app. And again, if it still doesn't work, then try to clear the search history of your account. So go to the settings, then tap security. Then tap clear search history for the app to also refresh. If it still doesn't work, then try to report the problem on the Instagram. So go to your settings, then tap the help option. Then tap report a problem. Then here, explain what's happening in your account. And that's it. And now we are done with our tutorial. Let us know in the comment section down below if this video helped you. For more video tutorials like this, subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell. Thank you for watching!